Excel Gladiators. Welcome back to another video. Excel tip number 4 is the F2 edit shortcut. The F2 function key allows you to edit a cell in Excel without using your mouse. So in this example, you can see that Juju Smith-Schuster and Marquez Valdes-Scantling are drawing errors on the VLOOKUPs due to not having the hyphen in their names. So you can use the F2 function key to edit the cell, and then use your arrow keys to go where you need to edit, and then I'll insert the hyphen, and now the formula is pulling in correctly. I'll do the same thing for Marquez Valdes-Scantling. I'll hit F2 to edit the cell, and then I'll select a hyphen to finish editing it. So the F2 function key is the equivalent of double clicking into a cell or clicking in the formula bar at the top. You can use the F2 key to get into the cell, and then also use home to get to the first part of the cell, or use N to get to the end of the cell. If you press F2 and you're editing and you decide that you don't want to make that edit, you can also press escape at any time to cancel your edit. One last little note is that F2 is the standard shortcut in all of Windows to rename a file. So if I close out of that and then click on the file, I can press F2 to change the name of the file. So yeah, F2 works also in all of Windows. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for a new tip every Monday. Peace out. Also, I hope you guys enjoy the new intro, outro.